Chick reckons follow me in. What, you work here? I wonder what she said to get in there. Stop playing with me! This is gonna fucking take too long to even get in there. I'm gonna have to leave. Some bullshit. Fucking line. Is that the line? I don't know. Must be. Oh, is this the ticket line here? Yeah. Okay. I'll have to line up. I'll join you boys. Yeah. The peeps, look at him, look at him. Don't play with me. I gotta be enjoying these peeps. This fucking line, look at it. It's on my back here, I'll show you in a sec. Waiting for Australia. Go to the burnouts and stuff. The peeps. The legends. Do. I don't know if I should join the line or just jump in. Jump in with the peeps.
Oh, do you get subscribe?
Might have to do like one word, might not come up otherwise. Or you can just print in what it says there. Couples cruising and burnouts might come up. You got it?
Come on, you kicked me in. There we are, boy.
Subscribed.
Yeah,
the
boy.
peeps, the legends. What's your boys' names?
RJ, that's Dick in my mouth. Connor.
Connor.
RJ.
RJ.
Taj.
Hmm?
Taj.
Taj.
Yeah.
What about you, brother? What's your name?
Ted.
Ted. I'm Justin. Nice to meet you, brothers. Whoa, what'd you say?
Money
Yeah, peeps.
How long's the video going for?
Fucking, I got here. It's about 10 o'clock maybe.
You're gonna post the whole thing?
Just post everything here.
The whole video, like 4 hours worth?
Yeah. It'll be in like sections though.
Yeah.
Fucking editing and all that bullshit takes too long, yeah.
Yeah.
Fucking like a month behind in my footage too. Month behind. Some good shit. I'm with you peeps.
Have you got tickets?
I'm with you peeps.
Have you got tickets?
Yeah, I got tickets. He's got tickets?
Go close to his face. Stop filming.
What for?
Just stop filming right
Hey, right? The legend right there. The peeps.
Kind of put dance down. Give your monetize, bro.
Peeps. I line up wherever because I'm a gangster, baby. I'm with the peeps. This thing.
Where do you do another one from?
Nah, this one like they get hot after a while, so you have to swap.
Oh.
That's why I got two. I actually got three. I got one more in my bag.
Why do you have gloves in there?
Gloves?
Yeah, why do you have gloves in there?
Oh, that's just to cover the camera.
Oh.
Otherwise, it might get scratched up.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah,
the
yeah.
lens. Yeah.
Yeah.
No
Did you
problem.
drop it?
Did I drop it? Oh yeah, I dropped it each time. Cracked on there, cracked there. As long as it's not.
black.
I got a 9, and I got a 10, and I got a 12. I got an 8 at home, but that thing's like old and fucked up now, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got this.
GoPros are cool. We swapping.